Number 6, changes.pdf. Again, I was surprised how many customers that I spoke to didn't realize that when you download VTScada from our website, it typically comes down as a zip file, and there's a number of files in there, usually setup.exe and the VIT client setup. There's maybe an ODBC driver in there. And one of the documents is changes.pdf. And that lists all the changes that have in that minor version. So our version 12.1, so this is version 39. And actually, it'll go back to the major version. So it's 38, 37, 36, 35, all the way through. And we ship that document. And this actually goes back to some of the things Glenn was saying this morning. So this is I grabbed this early in the week here, so you can see the I/O assist when tags are connected to a multiplexer. What else we got in here? PDFs generated from browser instances support HTML background colors. Woohoo! I'm sure that's tied to something that might be announced at 9:30 tomorrow morning, and a whole bunch of other things. So we have features and we have incidents. The difference between those two, features are, as you might expect, new product features, something different, something new, something interesting. Whereas incidents are essentially bug fixes. These are problems that have been identified in the product and have been fixed and released. So we're actually very transparent about what goes into the product. You can go in and read that yourself and see all the different things. And I think it's important because you need to know when you're upgrading your system, what might change, what might be affected. You can look and see if there's anything that might be planned. So that document ships every version of VTScada. Worth taking a look at. Light bedtime reading, if you can't struggle to sleep at night.